A SpaceX rocket is believed to just crashed into the moon. But where's the footage? Why there was no live stream of a 4 metric tons of stainless steel smashing into the moon at 2.43 kilometers per second or 5,400 miles per hour? That's 7 times the speed of sound. Explosion equivalent to 3 tons of TNT. Millions of space fans turned on live streams expecting HD videos of a SpaceX rocket slamming into the lunar crust, only to see absolute silence. No live explosion, no HD video stream. Did the SpaceX rocket actually hit the moon? Why was there no live camera footage? And what did NASA and South Korean orbiters record at the moment of the impact? Why scientists are calling this the ultimate cosmic impact experiment? And how this SpaceX accidental moon crash just saved NASA $79 million. Okay, let's start with the facts. A discarded SpaceX Falcon 9 upper stage had been floating in the chaotic deep space since January 2025, gradually shifted its path, creating a fresh crater estimated to be between 20 to 30 meters or 66 to 98 feet wide. So if a 4-ton rocket slammed into the moon with a force of explosive payload, why wasn't there a live 4K stream on YouTube? Now there are 4 big scientific reasons why we couldn't watch it live. Number 1. The rocket stage was a dead debris. The upper stage ran out of battery and power and propellant 18 months ago. It had no cameras, no transmitters, so there was no way to stream live video from there. Number 2. The sunlight glare. It was too high. The collision occurred on the sunlit edge of the moon. The kinetic impact produced a fraction of a second flash against the blinding glare of direct sunlight reflecting off lunar soil. The flash was completely washed out. The third reason, the most important one, was the orbital alignment. Satellites like LRO fly in the fixed polar orbits. Neither LRO or South Korea's orbiter were positioned directly above the Einstein Crater, so that's why we also don't have a close-up look. And the last one, but not the least, the fourth reason is its distance and scale from the Earth. A 12-meter rocket is smaller than a pixel on even the largest observatories. Just because we didn't get a live video feed doesn't mean we won't see the aftermath. In fact, this impact is a huge victory for planetary scientists. Unlike natural asteroids, where we never know the exact mass, angle or speed before collision, in coming days, NASA's LRO will realign their orbit to sweep over Einstein Crater. By comparing before and after images, scientists will pinpoint the exact impact on the crater and analyze how deep the lunar dust layer is. Also, they can verify how far the impact ejecta travels. This is actually the second dead rocket upper stage known to accidentally strike the moon. First one, a rocket booster created a double crater back in March 2022. In 2009, NASA spent $79 million of taxpayers' money to deliberately smash a massive rocket. Why? Because slamming multi-ton steel at 5,000 miles per hour is the only way to crack open the lunar surface and see what's hidden inside. So NASA spent $79 million to hit the moon. SpaceX did it for $0, for free. SpaceX and NASA are now actively developing new disposal protocols to ensure future upper stage burnup in the Earth's atmosphere or to be pushed permanently in the heliocentric orbits around the Sun. As soon as NASA's LRO drops the official before and after crater photos of Einstein Crater impact site, we will cover them right here. But till then, what do you think? Should space agencies mandate a strict fuel reserve to kick old rockets into the deep space? Because maybe this one, but not every accidental lunar impact could be a valuable scientific opportunity. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.